New Year's Eve celebrations are forging ahead as planned despite an increase in COVID-19 cases across the country. We have special coverage this morning. Let's go first to Jessica Maggio in Sydney. Jess, rising COVID infections have deterred some revellers.
That's right, Andrea. Good morning. Certainly, Sydney's famous fireworks will be viewed from the comfort of people's homes. Many, around tens of thousands, in fact, have opted to stay home for celebrations as COVID cases rise. In the past 24 hours, a new national record, 21,151 infections have been reported from 148,000 tests. A further 6 deaths have also been reported. Hospital admissions are increasing, now at 763, as is the number of patients in ICU, which stands at 69. 95% of the population has received 2 doses of a vaccine. Authorities are reminding everyone to get their booster jabs. Still, despite those rising cases, organisers say events are going ahead as planned, but as you can see here, I'm at Blues Point, one of the better vantage points in Sydney, and what would usually be a packed crowd is just a few revellers getting in early to try and actually get a spot for tonight's fireworks. Usually this would be pretty much full and people would be lining up, but that's not the case today. As you can see behind me, this is one of the better spots to be celebrating and ringing in the new year, particularly saying farewell to what's been a rough couple of years. After 2 years of almost no celebrations, organisers say that they're expecting everyone to continue pouring into the CBD, but only if you've got a ticket. Free public spaces will not be available for revellers without a ticket. So again, authorities are reminding everyone, if you are coming into the CBD, to make sure you have a ticket, and plenty are still available as numbers drop off from previous years. There's also the only residents being allowed in certain residential areas. So due to the fact that COVID cases are rising, a lot of residential areas are looking to avoid COVID creeping in and will only be hosting their own residents from that area. Authorities and the Premier has asked residents to really practice some responsibility here, so to keep social distancing, keep sanitising, wear masks if it's impossible to socially distance. But yes, definitely authorities are expecting celebrations to keep on going.
It's been a tough year for everyone here in this state and across this country, and I think a lot of people are wanting to celebrate 2022 and want to enjoy tonight's festivities. But I do say to people, if you are going to be involved in New Year's Eve celebrations, to make sure that you use a bit of common sense.
Around 5,000 police officers will be patrolling the CBD and vantage points, but no doubt residents will be looking to bring in the new year with a bang, if you'll pardon the pun.
Thanks, Jess. We'll let it go just this once.